So in this video, I'm going to show you how to automate email clues when you're building escape rooms. So this is one way you can have participants email you or some dummy account that you've set up and have an email automatically returned to them based on what it is that they email you. This is just a way to add a little more interaction and make the participants feel much more immersed in the experience. So the first thing you have to do is go make sure your templates are turned on. So you're going to go to Settings, see all settings, and then Advanced, and just make sure templates are enabled. And then if they are not and you're enabling them, you're going to need to save changes. And then you're just going to compose an email. So this is going to be what you want the response to be. Okay, I got your message. And you could add more to the storyline. You can add whatever you want, but I'm going to keep this simple. The code is 123. Okay. Then you're going to go down to your triple dot menu and you're going to choose templates and you're going to save draft as template. We're going to choose a new template. We'll give it a name. And you'll probably want to name it after the escape room that you're using it with just to stay organized. Since this is sample video, I'm going to say sample video. Okay. Now you can just delete that. You don't need that email anymore. Now we're going to go to filters and blocked addresses. And we're going to apply a filter. So we're going to create a new filter. And it's going to be looking for certain words. So in the message to your participants, you're going to tell them, you need to email this address with the message, I need the code, or whatever. I know who committed the crime. Whatever it is you want them to say, that's what's going to be in the word. So now your email is now looking for that phrase. If they don't use that phrase, they're not going to get a return message. So it's looking for the phrase, I need the code, or I know who did it, or I've solved the mystery, or whatever it is that you tell them to do. And then you're going to create filter. So basically, what do you want to happen when a message that's a match is identified? We want to send a template, sample video, create filter. So I sent a message to this account from a different email just so you could see how this looks. And so here was the incoming message, and then here is the outgoing message. So I can see the outgoing message was sent right from my inbox, and I did not have to do anything. And I know that email was sent. So that's just a really fun way that you can use email in your escape rooms, and you can use it with your own personal email if you don't mind, you know, a bombarding of messages coming in. You can just delete them. You know the message was sent. It's good to go. Or you can set up a dummy Gmail account and use that same feature, and all the emails go there and you never even know if they showed up. It doesn't matter. The email was automatically returned to them. So I hope you like this idea. If you by chance just stumble upon this video and you're not watching all the other videos where I teach you how to build escape rooms for professional learning, then you need to go check out my channel, because I have a whole video playlist on how to create escape rooms for professional learning. And it's a lot of fun. So you better check it out.